Today I'll transform into the cutest Disney princess, Princess Vanellope! Oh hi, I didn't see you there. I'm Vanellope Von Schweetz.
Hi, mister. Hey, why are your hands so freakishly big? One. Why did the hero flush the toilet? Say why.
Why?
Because it was his duty!
Ava Dazzle.
Hi everyone, I'm Vanellope Von Schweetz, and I'm the princess of Sugar Ice. But I don't want to be called a princess. I want to be called the president. If you want to see how we got this look, keep on watching.
Okay, my mom already fixed my hair in a high ponytail like this. She just tucked a bun under my hair to make it look thicker and a bit puffy, just like this. Later, I will be putting real candies all over my hair, just like Vanellope's. And here's the bangs. For now, I'll just tuck it behind my ear. Now let's put on the foundation. Wow, that was a quick one. Now it's time for the eyebrows, cheeks, and lips. Let's start with the eyebrows. Vanellope's eyebrows are black and thick, so I will be using a black eyebrow pencil. And brush it with a spoolie. Now let's put the eyeliner. Vanellope has rosy cheeks, so I'll be putting a lot of blush. Don't forget the pink lipstick. Let's add the falsies. Wow. Now I'm done with my makeup. It's time to accessorize my hair with real candies. Woohoo! No. No. Yes! Wow.
Hello! Are you a hobo? Double straps, great! The toy!
And now I I might puke actually. You know what I'm saying? I might puke. Like a verb. Vomit and a burp together and you can taste it and it's rising up. Oh, this is so exciting! Yay!
Look, wise guy, I know in my race. I can feel it in my core. And I'm gonna win. Don't be afraid to try new things and get ready to dazzle the world. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want some more Ava Dazzle videos like this, click the subscribe button and like and comment and share. Bye!
Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe!